In this video, I will show you step by step how to sell on G2A your item. So guys, go to G2A account and then click on this option. From here, click on dashboard. From this dashboard, click start selling, this option. And from here, you can start sell your digital products, items, game, gift cards. Click this option, start verification. When you click start verification, friends, you should be complete your business details, such your campaigns and your all details here, and then click continue. After that, friends, when you complete all these steps here, click on new offer. Set up your new offer. For example, I write your new offer here, and then choose the request category you want to sell. For example, you have the games, DLC, gift cards, subscriptions. And then guys, all you have to do when you click the software, for example, write your name of the software and click send a request. From here guys, you can sell items on G2A platforms without any problem. You can see here guys, write just request from here, this option, request to add a title. And then guys, you will successfully sell your item without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you, friends. Don't forget to give like and share this video.